As with all 1000 Butta sarees, as you can see, throughout the body there are buttas. See, the weaving comes as long threads which go inside and outside. There is yellow, there is green, beautiful Annapakshi motifs throughout. Nice seer pallu. So you have this lovely golden zari threads which are coming in vertical lines from top to bottom. It's almost a mix of a forest green and an olive green. Nice, beautiful green. This beautiful violet is paired with a lovely, beautiful, deep blue. Wow, nice, lovely purple. It's a royal blue, almost with shades of indigo. Very lush forest green and maroon red. Beautiful combination. It's almost the brinjal violet, the katripu violet as they say in Tamil. It's a beautiful pairing with the forest green. A 1000 buttas. This particular saree and collection we're going to see is very famous and is very renowned, and it's called as the 1000 Butta Saree. Today we're going to see the Chettinad Cotton version of it, the 1000 Butta Chettinad Cotton Saree. And there's something interesting coming up today. At the end of this reel, I'm going to have a small contest. So I'm going to be taking you through what a 1000 Butta Chettinad Cotton is like. I'll take you through it. Please take a close look. At the end of this, I'm going to ask you a very simple question, and those of you who get the answer right, very close to right also, will be eligible for a fantastic price. Let's go. I'll start off with this particular saree. It's a beautiful deep violet or wine red as you may call it. It's very nice 1000 Butta saree. As with all 1000 Butta sarees, as you can see, throughout the body there are buttas. There are buttas throughout the body. The buttas are within squares. The whole thing is checks. The entire body, there is a horizontal parallel lines and vertical parallel lines. So within these checks, you can find these buttas. I'll show you how they weave them. Very interesting to see. So if you see the reverse, I'll just show this to you. See, the weaving comes as long threads which go inside and outside. There is yellow, there is green, and yellow and green are alternating within these checks. So when you see it on the other side, the yellow thread, long thread comes out as the yellow butta, and the green thread comes out as a green butta, and that is how the weaving is done throughout the body. So this weave goes throughout the body of the saree on the other side, and this is how the 1000 Butta saree is made. Of course, both the top and the bottom have lovely, very nice golden zari, beautiful motifs. They're lovely Annapakshi motifs in a row here. Completely in a row, beautiful Annapakshi motifs throughout. There's some temple edges here. Here there's a lovely wonky motif which goes here, and on top is the traditional Rudraksha motif. So the same thing is there in the top and the bottom. Of course, the deep purple, the edge of the deep purple is a lovely mustard yellow, against which there is this green and the Rudraksha also. So this is how the body of the saree is. Let's take a look at how the pallu looks like. I'll just flip it around for you. Yes, nice, lovely teal blue pallu. Nice contrast to the deep violet or the wine red as you may call it. It's really nice. The contrast is nice, and nice seer pallu. So you have this lovely golden zari threads which are coming in vertical lines from top to bottom, parallel lines. It's a traditional seer pallu. Let's now see how the whole saree will look together. I'll just open it out so that you can see how it looks. So this is the body and the contrast teal blue pallu. Yes, beautiful. Very grand appearance. This is a kind of saree is so much of skill and so much of tradition goes into weaving of this saree, and it's amazing. Let's take a look at the other colors. Yeah, this is a lovely teal blue. I'll just quickly open out all the colors so that you can see what the body color is and what the pallu is. This is a teal blue, a long pad with a nice deep purple pallu. This one is a nice, very nice fire brick red, and the fire brick red is paired with a beautiful, very nice deep blue pallu. It's a greenish blue. It's almost a greenish blue. So it's a greenish blue paired with the fire brick red. This is a lovely blue. It's a Mediterranean blue, and the Mediterranean blue is paired with the pallu is, yes, it's a nice rich maroon pallu paired with the Mediterranean blue. This is the next one. We move on to the next saree. This one is a lovely green, beautiful, very deep green. It's almost a mix of a forest green and an olive green. Nice, beautiful green, and the pallu for this is a nice, lovely, rich maroon. This one is a nice violet color, beautiful violet, and the body, the design I won't speak about because you already heard a lot about the 1000 buttas, but please keep observing the saree carefully. Don't forget the contest. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, this beautiful violet is paired with a lovely, beautiful, deep blue, lovely blue. I hope you're liking this video, and you also have the small contest. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Do make it a point to click the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about all our videos. We keep coming up with lovely new collections almost every 3 or 4 days. And if you have subscribed and you click the bell icon, you'll get notified and you'll know whenever we drop these videos. Of course, if you like them, please do share with your friends, neighbors, colleagues at work. You'll be very happy if you could share these videos around. Let's move on to the next saree. This one is a very nice deep, this is a bluish green. In fact, it's a it's almost a teal. It's a bluish green, and this is the body, and it has been paired with, wow, nice, lovely purple. This teal green has been paired with purple. It's a beautiful combination. Next, you'll have a look at this one. This is a nice, it's a royal blue. It's a royal blue almost with shades of indigo. I'll open it out for you. Yes, this is the body, and it has been paired with the pallu is a lovely wine red. It's really nice. It's royal blue with wine red combination. Very nice. Wow. Next we come to this lovely deep maroon 1000 Butta saree. I'll just open it out for you. This saree, this is the very rich maroon red 1000 Butta saree, and this has been paired with very nice forest green. Very lush forest green and maroon red. Beautiful combination. This is another green. It's a beautiful forest green. I just open it out for you. It's a different combination. We saw green, but this is paired a little differently. Beautiful forest green. Lovely, lush, rich and lustrous. I'll open it out so that you can see the pairing. It's been paired with a beautiful shade of violet. Beautiful shade of violet. It's almost the brinjal violet, the katripu violet as they say in Tamil. It's a beautiful pairing with the forest green. And last but not the least, we come to one more shade of red. This is a orangish red. It's very nice. It's beautiful, very bright orangish red. Very nice. And this has been paired with a beautiful, nice royal indigo blue. So this is the combination. Very nice combination. So we've seen about 7 or 8 combinations here. We have even more at Avishya. So please do come over to if you're in Chennai, please do come over to the Avishya store. We are there at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection to you. So you can come, touch, feel, pick up all the colors that you want to. We have multiple colors here. We have a lovely trial room. You can put it on yourself, try it on and see how it looks for you, which color works best for you, and you can choose. So this is for people in Chennai. Of course, I need to remind you about the contest. I told you that there is a contest, so I will remind you about the contest. You would have seen these sarees in detail. I opened out all these sarees. You saw the body and the pallu. These are all 1000 Butta sarees. Obviously, there are more than 1000 Buttas, much more in fact. So please take your guess as to how many Buttas are there. And if you are able to get a reasonably correct guess, please put it in the comments below. We'll be happy to hear from all of you. And for all of you who get the answer right up to plus or minus 500, we'll be happy to give you a 500 rupee Avishya gift coupon for this festive season, for this Christmas season. Please do participate in the contest. We'll love to hear from you. The video, I've shown all the sarees in detail, opened it out for you. So I'm sure you can make a reasonably calculated guess as to the number of Buttas. We'll be very eager to hear from you, and we'll love it if as many of you get it right. We'll be very happy to give you those 500 rupees coupons. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who are not in Chennai, who can't walk into the store, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of 1000 Butta Chettinad Cotton sarees are available online. You can come over there, browse, look at all the colors. If you want any help, our customer service team is there online. They'll be there 16 hours of the day, so they are there online to help you answer queries, help you select, and also make your purchase online. So you can ask whatever you want, and that's the online portion of it. And of course, we are looking forward to hearing from a lot of you about this contest. Please do take a look at it. You can always rewind this video. It's YouTube after all. You can rewind it, take a look at the sarees. I am sure you can make a calculated guess, and please put in your answers in the comments below. We'll love to hear from you. Once again, please do hit the like button and the subscribe button if you like this video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about every new drop from us. And thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we have also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.